guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
Edos, you be hypocrite too. Your hypocrite is too much. Good morning, my darling. How you doing? You know, that's my face rise this morning. But I did chop. I eat fried rice, eat salads. Go eat goat kidney. Sleep. See how I wake up this morning. Good, man. Enjoyment give me yesterday. Don't let me want the chop and they laugh. Quack, 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 quack. I love. Good morning, everybody. I just saw this video. I see this video. You know, say sometimes like almost 3 days. I know 2 day line like that. I know day line for almost. Now yesterday I can come out. And yesterday make 3 days when I not come out. You know, say sometimes, if they find something, you really need to hang. That's it, my people. Now, so she today hypocrite. Good morning, my people. Those are my people. Oh, Juku. Are you from Igbo? I asked you the other day. Are you from my mother's side? Are you from my mother's side? Now so my personal person. Oh, all of them just they come banks. Is it banks? Say sometimes to read safe. They escape me sometimes. Yes, she's full of hypocrites. Good morning. I know they like, what? She just do this video. Sometimes me I be person. If I do something, if you like me, you shout. If you like me, 100 people come out. Come to say, lovely, what do you do? You not doing away. I know they come to say, I beg. I know, consign me, because I don't already split them out. Like, now jealousy they worried there because this woman carry Pikin come. You see these people, if they see something, this something go they pay them. I don't know how managed people do jealousy people. Like me, I can never. I don't know. Say that they jealous. What call they jealousy you for? One, me now as I did so, I be top person. I don't feel the jealousy woman will be say. I top pass. If you reach market, if they do sales, that woman go see things buy. If I don't see buy, I will come out. It happens sometimes when you are a top person, you get body small. People, if you see me for Facebook, you think say me I don't get body, but I get body. But if I want buy clothes sometimes, when I will say make the clothes really free for my body, I they buy 46, 44, 46. Now they buy. If I want buy a trouser, I they buy 44 for trouser. And I they wear size 46 for trouser. Then I don't know. I love the way God creates me, and I love it. It's not good for a person to have jealous heart. They don't pretend for day. I don't know why these people, whether they really put that jealousy heart into their mind, into their heart. Like I see this video. I'm asking you because I don't know. I can't see this video. Maybe they don't just say he won't just insult this boy. Yes, maybe they don't just say maybe insult this boy. When you see boys are growing up, you see boy. Many people when you get boy for inside house, they will say, "Mama, you don't lie." You ever see boy when they wear they weigh almost 70. You know, say some boys there, some children where they fat, and they weigh 70. If they don't they reach around that 15, 16, they go come lean. They'll come reduce. True. They'll come reduce. They will reduce. You see, my daughter, my first daughter, now, if you see my first daughter, you also will say, Mama, now you born this girl. For us, now he tall. He no short fat. He come on for ground. My daughter, he tall past me. He come on for ground. He get body. Since this year, if you see my daughter, is it this year? I'll be last year. I think my daughter complete 18 years, 19 years this year. Last year, can't reach this year. If you see my second daughter, she be like lekpa. She be like lekpa. I say, I can't even ask my daughter, I say, come on, what is your problem? You know, say, when you see somebody where he get weight, my daughter get weight. And if you see my daughter, body, he tall, he get shape, the fat when he fat, you know, just fat like that, you know, big, now big, I want to talk and be now fat. The way when body be, he get boo-boo. I want to talk how he belly go inside. You know, say that they see people like that. He belly go inside, and he get chest. Now, if you see how my daughter is stand, to big or they hungry you. That time when my daughter get body, if I lie down for my daughter body like this, go be like say I lie down for inside this inside mattress when it's soft where. Last year can't reach. Last year, is it last year? Yeah, last year. My daughter don't they reduce. I tell her say come. You know, I don't even want to make my daughter make he lean. I don't want to make my daughter be like that. You know, because the tall when he tall, he fit her with the body where he gets. He fit her. And he can get beautiful face, Jonah. I always say my daughter just they reduce. I tell her say, come, you know. I can't tell her say, come. What did they do? You they drink medicine to reduce. Say, no, mommy, I don't drink medicine. I can't go. Now I can't tell his senior sister say, is it the way where your sister can't tell the like bow. Now so tell like pa. He don't voul like pa, we say, now the one when he big pass before, now that one come big passer. Now his senior sister come big passer. Now I tell her say, I beg. They chop. Now because they don't say they chop. And they chop. She can't like pa. And the get where he like pa reach. He can't stop. And when you can't see her, can't say, wow. You know? The big way he gets, he can't just go. Man, if I can't see him now, I gotta look and say, Then they see something like this. Me, I be no one make my daughter like that. Everybody will go their family, everybody will just like that. It's not good like that. When my daughter they grow, they come. Now for grand, now he ain't get body come for grand. And the body when he gets, he fit her. He too fit my daughter. The body when my daughter gets. I don't understand. No game when you go do, when you tell my second daughter, may you can't do when no go fit do. The body not the heavy. As I say the body not the heavy. I got to say, maybe not just normal fat like that. If my daughter sit down today for ground, you go open his leg. You know, say that ballerina when they do, when they can't open their leg. How come they look? I say, as you fat rich, you they feel open your leg like this. You still say, mommy, you know, nothing there body, you know. If you me now, I'll tell and say so tired that I want they gotta go this. I'll tell me wrong. If I say me I run before you know, piao, my daughter don't use if body could they deceive me, say me I go pass her. Piao, you go pass me. I say no, this one not a fat. This one not be this one not be everlasting fat. Before you know, my daughter can't be lekpa. Now lekpa she can't be now. You something called they pay me. I can't look and say, no, I be no one make you reduce. I still want to make say, you know, if still good make person get person when big for family, not be say you go come too big, you know. wow, I couldn't look. I tell my daughter, say, can't eat. My daughter say, I'm eating, I'm not hungry. And I couldn't watch and they watch and they watch. I eat, they true, they eat. As it they eat when he fat. Now so it they eat when he reduce. This, my daughter reduce. You know, he reduce. Now so children be. If this boy of this lady, he be like this, he reduce like this. Now see small boy, now so that they be. When boys they grow, they come. You go see sometimes some women get boys for inside house. You go even talk say, come, why your agbamen come be like this? Why your agbamen come? You know they chop. Sometimes they go just lean, sometimes they go fat back. Now children, especially if they want to, especially if they don't they enter age to age. You get where they'll come reach, they'll come balance. By Edos, they talk say, why your Pikin be like, Edos, I bet bring your son come out. Yes, I hate hypocrisy. Edos, you get children for abroad. Can you bring them come out? Bring them come out. Why you should stop hypocrisy? Why you will be mothers? You know, even he said this guy, you see and say he lean, why I want to talk him. He no lean. They change, but they change now so that they be. You get where you go do rich now. You get where you go come mature rich now. You go come they add weight, join body. You try, bring your son come out, maybe those. Well, now keep your son for inside house, or keep your children for inside house. Now because they use math, they arrange another person, because they spoil another person. Try bring your Pikin come out. Try bring your Pikin come out. True. Try carry your own child come out. Good morning. Try bring your Pikin come out. Are you there, Candy? Are you there? Try bring your Pikin come out. Children are like that. When children are growing up, not so they be. My boy, you know, everybody know when my boy small. My boy now Oyibo. Once at a time, my boy called the blood. That got to say, I bet broken. What did they happen? You know, say when you get children, you know. I said, this is how we call just the blah, 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 blah. He said, Mommy, leave me alone. You know, children, they play. He said, Mommy, leave me alone. What's your problem? Leave me alone. You know what they do, my Pikin? I can't give an house arrest because it's too black. Now, children must play. This boy, if he go follow his friends, go play football. If he go follow his friend, go play. To call us, come eat. If I see my boy for where they play ball, I will just go there, I will carry a hand, I'll say, okay, let's go house. Or I can't eat. If you feel relaxed, still go back there. You will say, Mommy, please, I will in 5 minutes time. I'll say, lie. You must follow me, come house. Before your friend will come to tell and say, just 5 minutes, mother for Emmanuel, 5 minutes. I'll go say, okay. 5 minutes, there will go say, yes, he will come. I can't look where they make come eat. Now, boys, you want this house? Why you not 2 day hypocrites? Now, so children they be. You tell me they don't make carry his son come out. Tell me they don't say make carry her children come out. But they don't wait till you go do. Bring your daughter come out, your first daughter. Then you bring your son come out, your last born. Even if you get anyone when fat inside, wait till I thought so you say keep on. Just this video keep on. If you get the one when you get body for inside, you get where you go reach. You go there like that. That my girlfriend, when he go show Grace where for go show Grace my village. His son, if you see his son, years back, if you see his son big, his son a very big boy. If you see him in fat, he be like Biggie. Now I want at the time. Now I call the follow and they talk. That time we they talk. Now I say make I greet his son. As he give photo, so I say nah, this person be this one. I can't mention it because I don't want to mention it for you. Now say I wait till he come eat. He say no. He say jolly. He just reduce by itself. He just reduce the fat can't just go. Now so it they be. I don't like when if you want to insult person, you don't insult person for waiting. You know the okay. Before this guy go, okay, you not see this guy. See saw this why say he lean. Why you not come talk? Why you not come talk? As you they look and say, now one person will just open road for una. Monica first talk and say, now Monica na carry bang put for my hand. That carry atete put for my hand. If Monica just carry the goose come, or I will just carry una tete, carry una with the basin, una can go to buy una oh. Yes, now so if you all carry something come now every day now they talk. If you all carry if you not saga you all carry enter Facebook now all of now go to buy inside. Now you go to buy, now they buy. You don't see this boy. You say you don't tell when they don't they loot these boys is there. Don't tell when they loot these boys is there. Why you not come talk about her? Because you can't see say this lady now with Monica get problem. Now you can't come they talk to the woman. The video when Monica do, even Monica thought say he don't know the video when he do, don't tell. Now can tell us say now so Monica, if you talk to people, not be that day they go answer you. As the girl come answer her, Monica talk to the woman with the Pikin. As the one come answer her, now Monica come with the Pikin. I say Monica, now the woman come with the Pikin. Come answer Monica. And Monica children, that they do Facebook there. The other time, if caller say, he commenter say, Monica children, they insult there. You use a do live video say, Monica children, why they insult your mama follower? The Pikin say he no care. The Pikin say I don't care because I don't care because you don't like what you now they do. But like say the way we not they do mama, the Pikin don't even see like her. He say he no care. He talk to all of them. Why you not go meet Monica? Say Monica, this your Pikin when you carry come out. Why you they use your Pikin till they do this one? No, you not come talk. Make those try bring your son come out. Make they see your son. And this video will keep on for when your Pikin go reach 16 years. Now you go even talk say children are so not they be. Now you go even they talk say my son come. You know where you they sick. You know where you they sick. Where did they make? Where did they lean you? Where did they do you like this? Where did they do you like this? Now so it they be. Now so it they be. He still get one boy when still there here. The time when these children they grow up, almost for this area now the boy now big pass. Go see the boy now. He don't reduce like the rest. Even the rest now don't they say body something. Good morning, love. Yes. Sometimes if now want they talk something, you'll be like say now they take care of children pass. Now that thing now no like. Person when he carry a Pikin come for Nigeria. Now you want come advise him mama. I want to take care of him. Hypocrite. Person when he think with his brain. No say Pikin dey Nigeria. He carry a Pikin. He do paper for him. He carry an enter abroad. Yeah. Mama. If Pikin dey Nigeria. Now you can't get brain pass. Now you want advise him. Why be say person when he big person now they try to advise. Why? Person when he big person. I'm not talking about money. Big person for sense. There is some women self when they even talk for this woman matter. They get children for Nigeria. They don't think I have children come Nigeria. Now they want if I cannot talk to my children, if I cannot do something for my children's life, I not go talk for another person Pikin. I not talk for another woman child when mama carry come for Nigeria. Sometimes una too they do hypocrites. Una hypocrisy. Everybody don't see her. A woman that stay in Europe for years, you can't remember carry Pikin come. Make Pikin come they chop waiting they chop with her. You think that this boy not they chop? Tell you say not they chop. This boy they chop. When the time goes, that is how boys they be. Even when they grow up that time. Now so that they be. If they grow, get this stage where they go rich, they go lean, you go see get small, they'll see fat. You see get where they go rich, they go see lean. Now so children be. That is how children is. Why call the body shaper? Call the talk say, see waiting mama. Now you want advice. Now want advice. Even people when they don't carry their children, they still consider the advice who carry Pikin enter abroad. Why is it that we are not rejected? We are not the advice person when you don't pass on. How can they failure? They advise person when better person. That is the hypocrite you people are. Did you know what? Before you do video for somebody, try check yourself round. Just try. Just check yourself round. Whether inside what you want to, so whether at the end of the day, whether not be you, the something go reconcile with, the something go resemble you. Why is it that you people, you are so hypocrite? You are not hypocrites. I know whether not hypocrite I want talk, whether not crazy, no I want talk. Because get where somebody go do hypocrite rich. He himself go no say she be hippo, then you go remove her for hypocrite. A woman when carry a pikin come abroad. Now live video presenter they advise. Una not they share self. Like me, now person say, lovely, let me advise you. Talk to yourself. You the crazy, you the zuzu. Lovely, may I come here and advise you? What you won't tell me for your mind? Because I dey come Facebook anyhow. Now if you say, what did they want? I be disgust woman. When one come they tell say, lovely, come carry your pikin, come travel with your pikin. I say, are you serious? Now one person can say, so your pikin don't reach 20 years. I said, no, now 5 years. Say, I say your pikin, there be small children. Whether they talk say, can't show your pikin, go carry your children, go this thing. Now say commenters. You know, say, waiting that they talk now they believe. And I want commenter to say, you don't know lovely children. He say, no. Now tell him, say, you be newcomer. Welcome to the Edos space when they lie. These people, they are liars. They too talk lie. Once that you talk truth, they won't come use lie, to defend themselves. I can never use lie to defend myself. I always do truth, and my truth, people will say and say yes. Now lie, now that they find, don't they find truth? When somebody lie, you go they search on the lie. Say, how this thing will be like that, this thing will be like. You'll sit down, search on, and you'll see say the person now lie, they lie. But when you speak the truth, if you speak truth, now you want to say, lovely, come carry your children. You know they carry your children travel. You know they carry your children go swimming pool. Are you serious? Oh my God. I know they carry my children go swimming pool. See, they around our area for years. See, when children they go bath, all of them will gang themselves. The boys when they will gang themselves, carry their bicycle, because this country now bicycle now be their fastest this thing movement. You know, all of them go carry bicycle. They go the sea where they bath. They'll go bath for there. Children they go. My boys they go. They swim for inside. They play basketball for inside. Na river. You said they talk truth every day. Maybe you say sometimes, maybe the person when I want to talk about that, they maybe now your bestie. Love. You know that. You know. And this one when I talk, so you know say I'm not lying. You know, when they talk about person bestie, even you say that person like you say they talk about my bestie. Oh, yeah, you feel get angry because you don't want me to talk about your bestie. And they talk even say you be my best of friend. You do something when you know good. I'll come tell you, say, my sister, I can be your friend, I can be your sister, but this, when you do, I know I said that I have to take you out of that place before you get used to it. You don't say that you get used to lie. Don't say that you can't put lie for your head. You know? I not get bestie. No insult her. No insult her, my person. I just want to let her know she have a boy inside house. Make he watch that boy. Before you know, now that boy go. I think that boy is almost 10 years now. That boy don't reach 10 years now. I think that boy, the time when that boy now 2 years that time, 2 or 3 years. I mean, those don't stay for this Facebook now more than 7 years now, 7 to 6 years. The Pikin now there rather kind 9 years. But those go keep this video. I know they do saga with you. Now truth now can't tell you. Now wait till I see for this thing. The way when you continue to talk. If you get boy for inside house media dose, put your eye down. And today, go and mark today's date down. Till today now 28th October 2013. I say 2013, 2023. Go write and down. Just find where write and down. If your pikin don't reach like 15 years, like Facebook still dey, like 15 years, and he get, even if he never reach 15 years, he get where he go reach. You see your pikin, you go just dey lean. You also go come say, wetin dey lead you? You also wan carry am go hospital whether he dey sick. He no dey sick. His body dey change. His organ dey change. His system dey change. Just go and write it down. Then if that time reach, you will say, lovely, you know true lie. Now so now, because if you never reach your area, you think say, my son, not be, I know they thought say I put my son for house arrest. I dey put my son for house arrest. 2 weeks. I tell her, say, bro, you know I come up for this house. I dey put my son for house arrest. I go seize his shoes. I will carry one leg for his shoes. Once I don't carry one leg, go say, mommy, just forget about it, keep the shoe. I say, no, I'm not keeping the shoe. You say, no, he no go go. Later, I'm not going to keep his shoe again. Because they used to it. You know, you get the way when they brought children up. Before, if I carry his shoe, they cry, oh, wow, hey. I say, cry. Me, I know how to handle children. I can't handle children. If you don't, they cry. Me, myself, go say, oh, you are disturbing me, oh, yo. When you come say that my cry, I pass you yourself will come mellow down, because me, I know how to do childish play well. You know? Then you begin to used to it. Yeah, you begin to used to it. Like this someone now, I don't put her for house arrest. You know, they house arrest. Because you know they used to run. You know, you don't grow. You know, they too much. They do, go outside, they go play. They walk. You know? They walk. Even summertime, they walk. You know, you get where children go reach. Then themselves go come and say, this is the age. When they go, they know say, yes. Make their mother not they shout again. You know? If I call her sometimes, I say, Papa, where are you? You say, Mommy, I'm coming. I'm close home now. I'm coming. You say, stop, I'm coming. I see the time. I check the time. Yes. Now, so children, they be. My son go waka for say up and down, waka. I go say, no worry. He go say, Mommy, this one, no, they say, no worry. And he go, no, say this something, they know they sell them for you. Now, far away, they I say, no worry, I'll go back home. I'll take bicycle, I'll go back home. He go say, make it go by. I'll say, no, you know they go. Now, me go by. I will carry bicycle. Because an electric bicycle before, no, I don't go. So tell my son, say, Mommy, there is no escape route where you are. And I say, no, there is no escape route. If I want to caution child, no escape route, I will lock everywhere. You know? Yeah, I know they like when people insult children. As my son play football reach for outside, now anywhere, Mangolo, store, if they go sometimes to store, if you see maybe anything for road, you go they do something, you go they plan, they go. My pikin shoe not they reach this year, it only reach 1 month. My son shoe, if it too last 2 months, wait till they play football, they go. Where this thing go fight for my pikin leg? And Nike, my child, they use Nike right from when they small pikin. When Nike they fight, Nike as Nike he high reach, they fight for my son leg. Go fight. When they play football. Sometimes I tell her, say, you carry football shoe. If you want come on, say na football, now you want go play. Go. You say, no, Mommy, I don't want to play football. But at the end of the day, you go to play football with your friend. If you just come on, if you just see where your friends, then I don't say, okay, let's go and play football. That is children for you. Summertime, if my son they can't have, I'm not gonna know say na my son. Go black, go come black, go come lean. I say, what it be this? No like man. You know? Because they play. As this little boy now, this boy now, they play. They say they follow mama, they stay inside house. They go play football with this thing. Now when you carry children put for inside house. Now no activity one and one put to my children. If you put your children for activity, your children don't be boy. Every 1 minute they open door. Their friends will come call. Their friends go up there. Before you know, they don't this are they from window they look. But he call command. He color come for a body. He come black. Now I say, I don't later go to. I say, I bet if you like, your color come back. If you like your color, not come back, not concern me. That his sister call say, Mommy, this color will come back just because he's just a boy growing up. You know, he's always outside playing football with his friend, go swimming pool for summer time. If you see my son, he go be like people when from side enter house, from Morocco, where they call him, Lakpadusa enter house. You know, because where did they go swim? Inside sea. Now they go swim. If they here, no be swimming pool. Inside beach. Now that they go swim. Yeah, that is it. He go become black if they cost some time. So if your pikin, say your pikin na person when he like sport, any sport when he come, they do it for summer. Your pikin hair go even change self. He color of hair. Do you know that sun? He dey fafa hair. Sun, he go fafa your hair. When summer don't finish, if cold come, the body go change again. Then when itself now come they grow, you know they come they too much they waka like that again. You know they too much waka like difference again. And if you see my boy now, he color come out. The color where he get where they small pikin, he don't come out now. No, they go far away again. Go they play again. No, they play that play again. No, say get where boys go play rich. No, they play there like that again. Now they say, lovely, carry your children go swimming pool. Lovely, see carry your children go swimming pools. Children will be saying with your friends that they gather, they go see, go they swim. Because this country we have sea everywhere where they swim inside water, that they play basketball for inside water. See, it one river when if I they go Amsterdam, they near us for year. That they play basketball, they do basket net inside. See children with boat. You see small children that they inside with boat, all those boys. If you read that, you will see them for summer time inside water. Now they play basketball. Big sea, na river. They just do one for this thing. Now they say, lovely, you carry your children. You carry your pikin, go this thing. Lovely, show your children. You see, you want show your children. Wait first. All of them, something there inside this my bed. Whether these children, whether they can't use pin play for this my bed, I don't know. Anytime when I want to move, this something go choke my leg. But if I dey find, I'm not gonna see him. Immune. This something don't cut my leg 2 times. I will find that they find that this thing. You know. Now you go sit there now. They're gonna say, I they advise you. Come, I they advise you. Lovely, make I advise you. You dey advise woman when you don't deal with 20-something years old child for inside house. Kati, now here you dey. Meanwhile, you don't deal with 20-something years old child for inside house. Now me take care of that child. When the child small, can't reach this time. I don't see this something again. But if I say make I go take her, I not go see her. I shall say need to date this bed. Need to date. I will find a look for her. Need to date this bed. Don't say children now. Because the other day that one want to do something. Carry my needle this thing. I shall say need to date inside this mattress. They do me for leg one time. Me not go share my leg. You know, that is it. You dey now they advise woman when carry pikin come for abroad. Are you guys serious? Now I can't get sense person. When they carry children, why not they like this? Why not be hypocrites? Why can't you people see something? Wait. Why can't you people, you see something, remove your eye? Most of you people, you talk on that issue, you talk on that issue, on this woman issue, because of the pikin wey carry come from Nigeria. And the pikin no be now. This girl no be una sisters. Una come to say na una sister. You don't carry pikin come abroad. The pikin will come do rich now. Pikin will come better pass una children. No. You no relate to una, no be una auntie. Just want to talk. Now, na take, make dem carry una children come out now. Let's carry you guys children come out. Make dem come show una children. Yes. That was a bring your pikin come out. Make dem come show una children. Wetin you can use a pikin do not good. Wetin you can use a pikin do not good. Wetin use the pikin do? The pikin he insult. Not be laugh, not be the pikin they laugh. It's like the art drama. The pikin insult. Wait till now if you do if other person do one, you know the jealousy. How can you if me, for example, now I pack all my family enter abroad. You when no fit carry your pikin enter abroad, carry your family enter abroad. You want to they advise me? You guys sense rich. You see some people now, they never born, or their children see small. They'll say they want to give me advice about children. Does that really work? My people, they work. You when get 19 years old child for inside house. Person when you get 6 years old child for inside house, you want to advise you. I don't be hypocrites. Now jealous, jealous. They'll call jealousy. They don't get waiting. They want to just and I just want to advise you. Get it, shut up. They could not enter house. Now jealousy advice. Now they advice. Come on, me now. I deal with 22 years old daughter. Then you when your pikin dey 10 years now, you want to advise me. When be like say when my pikin use 2 years, take senior you. 2 years, use and take senior your pikin. Or woman when you get 15 years old child for inside house now. You when you get 5 years old child for inside house, you can't tell woman when you dey 15 years say, abeg, sister, me I just advise you that this. Are you serious? Jealousy, now jealousy advice. Now they give. Now heart no fit take again. Now people they jealousy. They're too jealousy. They can't lie. You will they go do something now. If problem come, they want to they lie Jonah. Lies. You people, you lie too much. But all the jealousy human being. No, I leave this boy. Now jealousy, this woman say carry his son come. You know what it be these people? May only they just dey there. May only they just their pikin just they enjoy spaghetti for Italy. Or may their children just they enjoy spaghetti for Europe. May only their children they eat pomodoro with the cast for Europe, with the formaggio. This finish back and put. May only their children they eat hamburger. I wish all the old children when they Nigeria say they go fit enter abroad. I will be very happy. Because if you be mother of children, when you see some children, you go pity for them. If you be mama when you not get jealous heart. What's this? Wait till those wait till they talk. Wait till you they talk. Say the pikin, see so you carry the pikin come. See the way when the pikin come be. The pikin be like 70 years this thing. Make them carry your children come. Let bring your children come out. Yes. They will carry your children come out. Some people will see ask you, say, why your children, why they all rich like this? Yes. This boy is just the boy when his body they change. Now so that they be. That they grow up. Everybody will get man picking for herself. He with their mama, will say, sit down, you know they come out today. They say, mommy, leave me alone. Stop disturbing me. Oh, can't I come out again because you want me to be fresh? You want me to have body? You want me to look good? I'm good. You know, that is it. What he do this boy? What he do? Yeah? If I look this boy sometimes, I go laugh. What he do this boy? He get now my people are not they tell now say my son dey house arrest. Every summer, my son must do 2 weeks house arrest. 2 weeks. If they come out sometimes, I say, hey, never oh. I said, this your play not too much. If my son they come out sometimes, now yeah, boy. Now you come to know and say, bro, now you be this. You go tell me, say, mama, come on here, mommy, leave me alone. So then when you don't come for the outside, you go on like that for city room. Bada. I saw ya go bedroom. That river where una go back. Oh, ya go bath and throw away. He go say he don't already bath for there. You know, say that they get where they wash their this thing throw away. He go say, mommy, I don't. He go like that for city room bada. I go they look and say, no leg. Now my son call yellow that only leg. You know, only leg because you know wait the leg now. Stock is the leg with shoe. If you see him mates, I think I even used to do video years back say. He mate where he be oyibo. Their color go come be real Manuel color. Manuel color now go come be Senegal color. Go come black. When he go come put his clothes sometimes, when he go come put his clothes sometimes, say he dey with Nika. He don't remove his shoe, Come see Emmanuel leg. His leg go different for his body. From his ankle, from his ankle, go down, he go yellow. From his ankle go up, he go black. I will laugh. My daughter will say, Mommy, did you see the color where Emmanuel get for leg? I say, yeah. He say, because if they wear shoe, wear stocking, wear shoe. Now he color still be like this. Is how we say, now ordinary slippers, if they waka, they go. He say, he go still black for leg. I got the go sometimes. His leg go just white because my son get white leg. You know, a person way is fair. If you see like leg go just white, if you see from the ankle go up, he go black. Man, I don't know wetin be this. I let her come out mind say, as I see Oyibo, when he be friend, I see some their color can't change. Their color change. Their color come brown. He got one for inside when because they talk. He say, yeah, I say, but myself still they complain. Say, he do the day inside sun. This sun go come dark day one time. Because for this country, when sun come out until evening. Now let this year sun not day this year. You know? Oh, Pikin day. First they get before then they not they go come they get their real body. Okay, you see, that is children. Now so children be. Why you dey body shape this boy? Why you body shaping this boy? He's a boy. When you see am so his body they change. Then even the dead woman sometimes self. The dead woman, you see some women sometimes they'll say, I be the chop. Why I can't lean? Why I can't lean? You understand? Why you can't lean like this? Sometimes we will be woman. Sometimes we dey lean. Go just little fat person go no say he lean safe. Why they body shape the guy? Why they talk about the guy? Why una go keep una children for inside house? Now they talk about somebody's children. When be say at the end of the day they carry una children come out. People will say you when they talk about person children. Now you they talk so. As my boy, if you see my boy, very handsome guy, my boy too fine. If me with my boy they waka they go. Say we just they waka, you go see girls. They go they smile. I go just say, do you know them? Are they your friends? Say, yeah, they are my friend. They go they smile, you know. Now some people they look us. He tall past me. 16 years old boy. If you see him tall where. Once at the time when me with her go hospital where he play football, he go by mistake he go hit his hand. Then we can't go put POP for the hand. When they go hospital, we won't go change the POP, we won't go remove her. As we enter, how old the day that time? Now €1 na be ticket that time. €1. How old the day? Now €1 na they buy ticket that time. Then as I don't click in. Now I go tell the woman say I want buy ticket €1. That time they see they sell ticket for inside bus €1. Now the woman come tell me say he can't bring this thing. He don't look am. You know adult ticket. He bring adult ticket because adult ticket na €4. I said no. Now my son come say na €1. He said no. He said my son. Now I say no, say he no fit sell ticket for her. No, say no be €1 ticket he go use. Now tell the woman say now €1 ticket every day. You say how old? Now I tell the woman say, are you serious? Now tell the woman say document they there and show. You say, what are you saying? Look at the way he tall. I say yes. He tall past me. Now no, my cousin, sorry. I said, no problem. Now some people they talk. You know, he get one certain time years back, he with his friends, they call they play football. Then one small boy, I don't know what the small boy, what they do, whether the small boy want follow them play football, something like that. They got to say no, but they don't go break his leg, you know. I think how old did they that time? 14 years. Now 14 years he did. That is 3 years ago. Yeah, man did 16 years now. He did 14 years. That is 2 years. Is it 2 years ago? There, the boy now, no, no, it be like say one of Emmanuel friend, he can't get a problem with the boy, you know. Then be like say the boy can't cry, go house, you know now, you know, children reach house now. Then as I just day house, somebody rig there, my daughter dey downstairs. Now my daughter come dey talk to the man. The man just say, why almost I know how it take be that I say no another that one I see another no na the man. Now the man come say yes, say the boy complain say whether they get problem with Emmanuel friend. Now my daughter come say now you go ask the boy say who you get problem with. Now the boy come say no be Emmanuel he get problem with. Say that Emmanuel friend now he get problem with. Say whether they don't want let him play football something like that. Now the man come say no be Emmanuel you guys. He said no, say no be Emmanuel. Say that Emmanuel even they talk say make they leave and make come play because my boy they play with children. They come say no, make they don't go break his leg and a small boy, you know boys now. Now the boy come they talk say now the man come say you know someday because someday if they see you sometimes say you be black they want to play little racist. Now the man come they talk say say my boy say why not they follow him mate they play now the Pikin got to say now him mate they follow play oh now the man Pikin even tell his father say now him mate Pikin now him mate they follow play oh now the man got to say no that man I never reach 16 years old. He say how can 17 years old boy go they follow all the rest boys they play. Now the Pikin got to say he never reach 17 years old now 40 years. Now Emmanuel do now the Pikin with the papa. Now they come to talk. Now the man say really. Now the Pikin can say yes. Say Emmanuel now this thing now around 14 years. Now the man can say why you can't talk rich like this. Now as they talk now, my daughter come they look there. Now the market they talk say so the boy is I think he never even reach because now summer, you know, and at December around December now he go complete that 14 years and at summer now they take get the crash and at December now he want complete that 14 years. You see now the boy got say no. He said now he no go play with his mate. He say Emmanuel they play with his mate. Now the guy go now the market say why he can't talk like this? But he talk past all his friends. Emmanuel talk past all his friends. Now all of them now they call the pursue and we talk and he still talk past them. Like get one the black guy way they here now. He with that one and they say almost the same heights now that they go now and he must still talk past them. You see now the market say sorry no it is a he don't reach another kind 17 18 years old. Now he can talk say me go they play with his mate. Now my daughter come say no, he never even reach 14 years. Now inside this year now he go reach 14 years. Now the man come say wow. Now as the boy they go, he say if he come back, make you tell him say he reach here. Now papa come they look at like this. I say you be racist, your Pikin not be racist. Did you see? You be racist. He say if he come here, not tell him say reach here. Say hi to Manuel. Bye. You go see her again. Now papa come they look at like this. I tell her say you be racist. Your Pikin not be racist. You see? That is it. As he can't play rich. Then why you saying this Pikin? Why you carry am come? Since when you carry am from Nigeria come? Blah 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 blah. Since when you carry am come from Nigeria? Blah 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 blah. They use that they do this. You know they carry your children come out. Maybe Edos. You know they use your children. You know they use your children till they play this thing. If you see this boy now, if you see this boy look now, you feel it as this boy don't reach 25 years. This boy never reached 25 years. Yes, especially if you see another say, go and play with your mate. You don't reach 25. You never reach 25 years. Now you look. Now people go look, say, you don't reach, this boy don't reach 25 years. He never reach. But the way when it be, people think say, he reach 25 years. Now so my son. Now so anywhere, they go feel say, If you tell us, say, see the age, they know they believe. Even when they grow up, they know they believe. They can never believe. Even that time when you see they go crash, not be crash, almost crash. You know, say crash, see they get this, all those kindergarten. When they go kindergarten, when we can't reach there, they thought say don't reach to enter primary school. Now I tell the teacher say, who reach to enter primary school? Now I say never reach, now small Pikin. Now the woman say, how old? I think how old Emmanuel did that herself. But I said they go 4 years that time, yes. But I said they go 4 years. That I say never reach to enter. That woman got say, why go big reach like this? I got say I don't know now the way they grow. And if you cannot go where say you want to go check on her, the doctor will tell say this boy he too long. He go tall where. You don't say that they see children like that. They'll say he bow too long. He go tall where. Now I can tell the woman say no, he never reached to enter primary school. He say but if you see and your teacher say he don't reach to it don't be primary school. This thing a primary school supposed to go. Now I say no. When he go there inside class, then the teacher got to say, now look, now he just big go. He say the way they be, he say now the same age mate with the people when they class together with the mentality. You see, with the mentality. Later they come use the mentality they know say, he with the children when they the same class say, now the same age mate. You see, because he grow past them. Any class where he did, now they grow past them. Now mentality they'll come to know say, like the second one when he go. Now mentality, now they come to say, now mentality, now they tell no say, now the same age, now with the children be. You can see say it tall. But that the mentality, now you tell no say now small Pikin. Mentality. The woman say, if they do, the teacher say, he go put something for them, he go say, make they go wrong, go carry and come. He said the way where those children sit they wrong. Now so it they wrong. Well, they check on whether if he see not those children, he go they run past those children. If they run, they go fall. He say go they look and say, it is say he don't pass the age. Now that the woman say don't pass the age, no say, oh, Igbo can never believe you. When you use man talk, oh, Igbo can never believe you. Anytime Igbo will say I believe you, forget. Oh, Igbo not believe you, just want to accept it. Not that he believe you. He does not believe you. Even when my first daughter, when he did, how many classes did that time? Like say, now when he did, is it primary 4 that time? I think it was primary 4, something, I don't know. Not be second. Now secondary school did that. I mean primary 6 he did that time. Is it primary? I don't gonna remember again. That on primary 5, something like that. But like say now primary. They say intelligent too much. So you're not supposed to get this intelligence. I say seriously. They say no. I bring her this thing, her birth certificate before they accept. They say me I bring her birth certificate. I take the birth certificate, I give them. Before they say yes. They say, why get brilliant like this? Say he passed this age. Say her age not supposed to get brain like this. I got to say, everybody can get brain. I bring the birth certificate come. Now if they give the rest homework, then they give her homework. That's if you say something for her for class. No, I don't want to finish. What is the need of giving her homework? Now the brain is sitting, they carry, they go today. Then they confirm it with her birth certificate. As my first daughter, as he brain reach, they go do exam for a brain. He do brain test. Say they know how they want to use book to follow a brain. That's it. Then why bringing children out? Can't they body shape children? Can't they do like this? All I say, your pikin never grow. If your pikin don't grow to be boy, he don't they grow. He organ go they change. He organ go they change. That is how children they do. No, they body shape the guy. Say, see how the guy be. You when they say, may Edos come, that video you did, not be, you know, you yourself, you not be good mother. Your children will dey inside house now. If you still carry your children sit down now, if you tell them, say, see how old your children be, people will say, nah, lie. Your children pass now. Because most of your children strong for face, past their age. Yes. Your children strong for face, past their age. If you see tell people, say, see the age of your children, people will say, this your pikin, or if you tell them, say, nah, lie, you lie. Because now some children they be. If you see some children sometimes, you will say, what did they do you? Why your face be like this? Your face don't look haggard. Before the second week, your body go come back again. Now so they be. Then why body shaping the little boy? Why you doing that? You want to get Pikin. You the body shape the little guy, say, see the way the little guy be. The boy be like 70 years old man. What of your children? What of your children? Do you sit down body shape your children before you the body shape somebody's children? This guy na big guy. He can do it. This guy where they see so. The day when mama go even see herself in the afternoon, now they follow him, mama. Before mama say come. I know say if you come out today, you don't go quick come. Or you come quick do this video. If not, once you don't wear shoe finish, you don't come up with that. I know they do live sometimes, but I saw go there city room. If I say me I go take something for city room, I don't go see her again. It don't come out. I said this boy wait there, yeah, nah. It don't come out. They be boys. If friends just feel happen, say that there's also place like this, they come. They come. They go meet themselves. They want to stay inside house. What do you want to do for inside house? You you get son now. May your son don't they reach 13, 14 now. Unless then you will lock and put for inside house. Yes. And when you decide to lock your son put for inside house, you know, you'll get brain. But when you go outside sometimes, you children get brain through the fellow children. Yes. Children, they get brain through fellow children. If your pikin they play music today, if they dance, you yourself will say, he wear this boy for learn dance. If my boy, if they play music today, if they dance, the way they dance, I can't look at like this. I say, bro, the time way small that I've been with me as a sister yesterday, when the one bath come and say, we even they look and call they play music. If my son they dance that time, also they dance. Because they use one letter, they dance like Oyibo, they dance round. They dance like Oyibo. I say, now you just now you both dance with they dance. Now, can't see dance when they dance like America. Because all he mates, all of them, you go see them, they go pull music for ground for here, they carry music, they follow body. Where they chop for them, they go there, they play music. You see all of them, they go there. You know, that is life. Don't let your pikin be mugu. Don't let your pikin be mugu for abroad. Now keep your pikin say, I want to keep my pikin. I don't want to make my pikin spoil. I don't want the pikin when they look, say, may no spoil. Now they spoil pass. Yes, now they spoil pass. If you put white for your pikin tomorrow, now they spoil pass. Before your pikin go, they do nyama because anything when you're supposed to come show you, you go they hide down. Even if say his friends can't give him something, say, I bet me hide down. Even if say this something go carry and go prison, he go come hide down with a friend. Because why? You show him how to they hide things. Hiding your child is equal, is the same. Somebody go give you something, hide. You can teach your pikin say, I don't want to. I bet they inside that house. Go hide for inside your room. Go do this one. You don't put hiding space for your mind. And when you don't go outside now, is the friend fit get the fit carry something now. They'll see say this one we just they hide. If you want to give if your friend say you go jump bad friends, If they want give am gun, they'll say, please, can you help us to hide it? You go take, because why, mama, you teach them how to hide. You'll see some way be say they just they come out, they know they hide themselves. If you don't carry them, say, I beg, let me hide this knife. You will say, no, I know they hide the knife for you. Because why? You don't know how to hide something. But the one when mama they say, go sleep for inside here, go and hide yourself, enter inside room, go and do this. Why I'm doing this, my people? Like the women that have children. I know what I'm saying. If my son come out now, they come back. I don't get fear. You can never give my son something to say hide. You know they hide. Like just back. You see this baby food when they this country. Now no baby food now. When children they eat. Almost how many years ago? We don't reach four years ago, if I'm not lying. I think it's almost 4 years ago. You know, I don't feel talking for this Facebook, something like that. Now they are so you know, when they enter primavera, when they enter spring, you get what that they share for market. All those verdura, all those seed of tomatoes, paprika, everything. Get the way where they put on for. They'll say they do it for my country. Get the way where they do and you plant them. If you buy something reach like 15 euro for a year, even 10 euro save, they will give you one. If you buy a lot, they will give you 3. Depends of the way when you take buy something. Now they give you that thing. Then children, they go stay by the closed market there. Anybody where they come out, if you get, you go give them. They'll go use and take plants. You know, it's a planting season. Now so they give people when buy things. Then children they outside. They'll come give them, you know. Then my son with other boys come dey there. He get one, be like say the guy na whether na be like say all those Asian country something like that, you know. Then as I come the market now, I did inside house. They ring bell as I open door. I see my son see police. Now I go tell my son. Now I go tell police. Say what? He said no. He said no problem. No problem. Now I go say why are you with my son? Did something happen? Say they just bring my son. Come tell me say I dey train this Pikin way. Say it's good. Now I go say what happened? He get one guy. You see this baby food. I think I talked on before. This baby food for this country, They go they buy and they go they carry and come for this country. And this country can't discover and say that they carry their baby food, they come for this country. This boy once sent my son, make my son go help and go buy corn. This one I buy. Because if you reach there, only one, now you go fit carry. They're not going to let them carry reach 3. They can't say because they carry out of this country where the baby food can they enter. You know? Then now the police come to say, yes, say when the guy come, he can't tell my son, say, make my son, he give my son money, say, make my son go help him buy come. Because say, he see, say, my son, na color, the rest children, they be white, you know. He look, he confess, say, he won't use my Pikin brain. And he don't know, say, bro, you see all those white people when you sit down, when he with my son, they there, so. Now, they say class, now they did. Now, they say teen, now they teach them. No use black. When you see your son, black person, they say ojibo. Now they say IQ. Now they use. Not as because they not black. You won't call and come. You won't send a message when it no good. He go let you know say he get that sense. That teacher say don't do something for somebody. Now my son come to say no. I don't go. I don't go help you go buy. He tell my son say why you don't go buy. My son say one. My mother tell me say if somebody send me message for outside, make I no go. Anything once you reach supermarket, you know, you get children. If your children enter supermarket, some mothers una no know this thing. Some children enter supermarket, make una tell her say, make you know they help anybody carry something come out. Some fit steal for inside bag. They go give am to your children, make it take pass. You no go know. Now don't say they happen. I tell my son say, supermarket, if you want to go buy something, buy. Come on for there. If somebody carry bag, give you. No carry. My son say, no, mommy, I didn't take back to shop. How can somebody give me bag? I say, bet, no carry. I say, so if you dey inside supermarket, somebody give you bag, say, let me carry this bag, come out. No carry. And if you be mother for a year, you get son. Tell your son like that. Because they go use your son, take cross that sin when they want sin. So they fit thief, put for inside bag. They will talk, say, please, can you help me carry this bag? Because your son no go know. Your son go fit say, he need help. Your son fit carry the bag cross. You see, and they go hold your son. Now your son, even if you say your son, they say, no, now this person give me, now this person give me. Now you're speaking hand, now they foresee. You see, waiting as a mother, will be say, somebody go come say, you want to come advise me. You know, advise me. I wait till they talk now. Most women now, they don't know. If your pikin don't they enter supermarket, go they buy something. Like this country now, children they enter supermarket, go buy sweet, buy Coca-Cola, they outside there. If they want to go buy something, they fit enter supermarket, go buy something. You know? Tell your pikin say, if you dey inside supermarket, somebody say, help me carry bag for inside supermarket. Tell your pikin say, me no carry. Just tell your child. Because you want to use your pikin to pass that sin. When they sin, so you want to use your pikin to pass there. One, tell your pikin say, when you dey inside supermarket, somebody say, help me carry bag, don't carry. If not, they will thief for bag, they'll use your pikin to carry and pass. Then now the boy come ask my son, say, yeah, why did you don't want to buy for me? No, say camera for the shop. They look am. He come dey force the pikin, force my pikin, say, girl, yeah, go buy. If you buy, come. He go give you €5. Now my pikin say, no. If I need money, I go home. My home is here. I buy something there. I even have coins in my pocket. You know, children. See, I have coins in my pocket. If I want to buy something, if my pikin they comot, that time never get pin pass. I they give am coins. I say, go to my purse, take coins. If you want to buy something, you buy something when your mate is eating. That is how I take bring them up. You know? Then he come tell my son, say, hey, me go buy, go give him €5. And my son no say, no, I have money in my pocket here. Cut here by mine. Say you get this thing. Then as he say, the people for inside supermarket they come and the manager they come. And what he tell my pikin, what he tell my pikin, and now my pikin go tell am say, the food when you say may go buy for you, it don't dey news. Say una too dey carry and comot for this country. The boy come say, the boy say, you know? He say yes, he know. That food, now my son say, why you not go buy by yourself? Why you dey say me? Because he say na black, he want use am. And he don't know say, no look and say na black, say he want use am. He dey enter school, he dey enter class. Now my pikin say, he dey news. Then now they carry the food come out for the country. Now the boy, he come, as he say, the manager, they work out, they come for inside the shop now. Because the day outside, you know, say camera for shop, they everywhere. And he said the manager, they work out, they come now, the boy come run. And as if they do that thing now, police, they don't already call police for the boy. The boy don't know, say police don't already surrender. You know? Before he say make it run, police already dead there. Now one two come here. Come say yes. Say the way when I brought my child up, he say it's good. He said somebody wanted to send my child message for inside supermarket. They with my child now. They come they drag. You know, he just want to use force to send my boy. Now my boy said no, he can never go for you. Then the rest children now, all of them come pack home. Because they say nay. Say that food you cannot buy more than one. You see, before the boy say make it wrong, they don't already, police don't already hold on for there. You see, now if I can tell police say, okay, I think say something. I go say no, nothing happen. Now the something when that they pack give the way that they plant. The man like come say no mistake, say they go, but now police come say you go carry and go meet your friend. Now he can't go back. Police go carry and go meet your friend. That is it. That is children for you. You know, you have to. There is a many way you have to train your children. That are things you have to put in your children's life. They can't they body shape children or can't they talk of children when you have your own work for inside house to work with your children. Like me now, my son now, 16 years. As I did now, if I want travel now, I not go get, say, oh, I don't leave my son for her. So he know when to go out, he know when to come back. That is it. Oh, thank you for the advice I have learned from you. Oh, you are welcome, my love. That is it. If you have children like most, my children, they all grow up now. My sister, before you know now, 2 years time now, my boy don't complete 16 years, 18 years. If I want go Chafachan come back, I can go Chafachan come back. I follow my children where I do things with my kids. I read there. I stand as, even this country, they will say it. When you come to my build here, gonna build now that they call area. When you come this area, the people when they this area, ask them, say, this woman, he don't come out for this house when they carry luggage, say he go spend 1 month for outside. If police go ask police, they will even tell the police, say, this woman not they go anywhere. They know me for this area. I know they make nyaka. I know they do fight. Then as I did this place, when I come here, then now they be one they follow me, they do nyaka. Later, wow, you know, they feel say now all black, they go crazy. They don't know, say don't be all black, they go crazy. Why they won't push me out of this house that time? Maybe they feel say as I reach this side, say maybe black people go come to pump enter this place, No, I have children. I cannot pump people into my house. When I have guest children, I protect my guest children. I don't feel they open door, maybe they come my house. No, I cannot do that. I have guest children. Even me, a mother, I protect myself. Then I cannot feel lose guide. Can't leave my children. Can't they carry man, they enter my house. They'll come, they enter. They come, where you there? I dare your area now. No. Yet to year. You cannot see black man say they enter here. Yet to year. Lie. What do you want to do for you? What do you want to do for you? What I want use they do? I get female children for inside house. I don't fit. No. That is me. If they don't reach 18 years now, I don't free be that. You see, the world don't come out. Be that. Small children, wahala. Don't come up be that. As I did now, if somebody bring Pikin come for me now, I can even the Pikin can stay with me for 1 month because I've used to it. Can stay with me for 1 month. I'm not going to even say, oh, you carry children come. No, it may hege for my hand. That is children for you. Especially mothers when they here. That is something that I told you now. If your Pikin don't they enter, you don't they send your Pikin, they go supermarket and say, oh, please, can you go and buy milk? Because you must send you get where your Pikin go grow rich. 7 years old child can go to market for you to go and buy milk if the market is close to you. And most mothers, their market close to them. You know? Then you can say, oh, help me go up. You feel not get salt for a house now. You feel tell your Pikin, say, please go and buy salt for me. Your Pikin feel say, mommy, I want to eat chocolate. You feel to say, okay, go and take money in my wallet, go and buy chocolate. You know? Then when you know say your Pikin don't they enter supermarket, tell your Pikin say, if somebody give you bag for supermarket, no carry. Because most people, they always like to use black children. They don't feel use white children. That was what that man want to do with my son. They said this baby food, maybe they don't buy rich TV. If you go buy, you don't feel carry 4 of that baby's food again. Lie. Because why? The baby food, they can't buy and they come out for this country before. They have like 10 or 15 for that baby food. Then before you know, one person go just buy 15. And you know, when you calculate something for counter, if now 15 now you buy, they go calculate and now 15. Now they go put for your this thing. And it go show for their receipt say now 15. One person buy 15. Tomorrow another person go still buy 15. Next tomorrow another person go still buy 15. And normal, you're not supposed to buy 15 of that food. When that food finish, you go buy. When it finish, you go buy. Now they tell they sell that food. They can say the food, you don't they come out for this country. Women when he get children that time, they go no say yes, waiting and they talk and not lie. Then because he reach there now, he see Oyibo, because now Oyibo did this community. Oyibo now did this community. You know if you see any black when you want to see for this community, you know say now the country when these people colonize, they don't big. They be big boys. You know, the rest when they here now, one black guy there, one guy there that time. Betty with my son, they don't they say hi. Now they say school, now they go. The one another one they here, he black. That one with my son with the white people. Now they do friend together. You know, they grow up together. They say class together, they grow up together, you know. Then other black no dey here. You see, and the rest no Oyibo. If they go now, you must see my son with Oyibo. As he can see, say the children that they near supermarkets now, the something when be say that they give them for gift, make they go plant. As he look now, he can feel say now my son, now he won't use the brain. He see say now black, now he won't use the brain. Because he know say Oyibo can never go that errand for her. Then he can feel say, oh, and this chocolate guy just dey here now, make he just send this chocolate guy. And he don't know say the chocolate guy when he want send, that one get wisdom pass am. Now that one, my son say, he got to say, hey, what do you mean? You call me? Why you call me? May I come buy something for you? Waiting the band. Say now only one you go they buy. Now my son come tell him say, you go enter, go buy am by yourself. Why you they give me? My son say, you dey supermarket here. You waka come for house. You want to come buy something for supermarket. You no enter. You say, make I go buy am for you. Why you no want go buy am by yourself? You see the brain where my son use for am. My son say, yeah, the supermarket is open. You can go there. Now my son say, they don't buy am with document. Are they buying it with document? No. Now my son, because I always say that they buy with document. Now maybe I would think that you don't have document. They don't buy it with document. Then go there and buy by yourself. That my son say, no, make go buy. Now my son say, hey, I don't go there. Okay, because you see that I sit here, why did you call that people? That my son say, why you don't call the rest people? Because you see, say I be called, now you call me, you want use me to, you know, children. So you won't use me to do sin. And so my son say, tell her, you won't use me to do this nonsense thing. My son, no, you don't go, police, they call police for the guy. Because also, if they use children, go to they buy that food. Now so, they don't drive all the old market when they don't drive them for all camera they catch them. They all read there we all pack them. Read there we all pack them. They pack and they go the country. You know, they bandits. If you enter the supermarket, only one you fit carry. If you two carry one, now you fit carry. Because the check system say the food, it don't they come out for this country. Who they chop this food? You think say they don't know how many children where they get for community. At this community day now, they know how many children when they eat that food. That is Oyibo for you. You don't see, most women when you get children, if your children don't they go supermarket for you, what you will do? Tell your children, say, come on, my pikin, person tell you, say, let me carry nylon bag pass. No gree. Even if say now black, you say, this uncle, how you doing? Auntie, how you doing? You go say, oh, my son, how is your mommy? You say, fine. You say, help me to carry this nylon bag. Tell your pikin, say, make it no help any black. Take carry nylon bag, take pass market. They go stiff for inside that nylon bag. They go give your children. Your children go use and go help them use and cross. Now, so most of them they do. If you have children there, not be so now come sit down, come to shout. Lovely, come make I advise you. Lovely, come make I advise you. You want to advise me? Me when you first daughter 22 years. You want to advise me? You want to get small pikin of 5 years? Now me supposed to advise you because your children of 5 years. I don't trade that market pass. And if I sleep now, I wake up at any time. If I wake up sometimes, I see my children they don't come up for house. House go make bow. I say these children they don't even wake me up. I know they wake up again. Let's say sometimes if I don't wake up, sleep will just sit in my eye. I know they control them again. They control themselves by themselves, and they must go to school. I don't come because yeah, you not go school today. You not go school. Anytime when they don't go school, you see them for house. Say yes. They'll say yes. They don't get school today. You see, then you won't be 5 years. Beginning at 5 years, 6 years, 7 years. As a mother, you must still get up. You control your pikin. You brush. You wear nice clothes. You see, you change everything. You see sauce for leg. Say yes, the sauce where you carry. Not be the one where you use for shoe yesterday. That is how you will do your son, your children, not only son. That is how woman do take care of his children. You know, like me, I know how to take care of children. Where if somebody even carry pikin can't give me for years, say if you reach house, you go to say, mommy, that woman can take care of pikin well. He take care of me well. I love to take care of children. You cannot carry children come your house because they say, if I carry the pikin come, how lovely go come do now, how lovely go come do now. Now your pikin I will first serve before I serve my own. Because why? At that moment, the pikin na me dey with. At that moment, na me get that pikin at that moment. If anything should happen to him mother, and the police go know say the pikin dey here, now my care, now they go leave the pikin. If I tell the police, say, no, you are not taking this child away, you leave it for my care, they'll say, yes. They will tell the child, say, do you want to stay here? The child will say, yes, I want to stay. They'll say, okay, you go stay here. Now you see most people for abroad, they get children when they stay with them. Most of them will be say their mama know where they if you just go a friend house, the friend go there and take care of children. But many people don't know that one. That is it. By come Facebook, one can they tell people say, now you know how to take care of children. Pass. When your children never reach this stage, like Edos, now Edos, your Pikin never reach this guy stage. You never reach this guy stage. Then you want to control this guy, or you want to control the mother. You want to advise the mother, this is the way you will take care of your child. A woman that have that brain, that know that I have son in Africa, he do a paper, he no get brain. How he take do a paper, take carry a Pikin come. He do the Pikin paper, he carry and come abroad. You want to call the advisor. Say, now you be advisor, no one mag be. I bet make una keep una hypocrisy. Your hypocrisy is something you will talk. When be say person go even hear, not be agripa. A child that senior your own daughter. Now the boy, now you want to call the advice. When you leave your children for house, you know advise your Pikin. Your Pikin day house, advise your Pikin. Tell your baby girl say that they change pint. Tell your baby girl say make they wear pint for 2 days. Tell your baby girl say make it go bath. They control your baby girl. If you read the time for a month flu, when I flew, now they call and be waiting, now they call her. Control your Pikin for that. Yes, control your Pikin for that. Tell your Pikin say, may you sit down, may you clean self as a girl when it be. And tell her say, if you wake up in the morning, may enter bedroom, go bath, wash your armpit, buy rolling armpit, buy deodorants, buy them for your children. Because when Pikin don't they reach 10 years, you go they feel heat. He need this thing. Yes, you need armpit roll on. Not to say, my Pikin go reach 16 years before you reach. Before you know, once child don't they reach, even some children if they don't they reach 7 to 8 years, they don't already they get that armpit this thing, that armpit odor. Some children that they get when they 7, 8, and 10. From that time go up. You buy body spray, buy body roll-ons for your children. Happy Sunday, my love. How you doing, Solomon? How you doing? That's my namesake. You know? Good morning. You know? That is what you will teach your children. You have 4 girls. How many children you get? 3 girls. I don't count children for you. You have 3 girls and a boy. Those girls, tell them, say, if they wake up in the morning, may they go bath. That is get for you. The morning, enter bedroom, bath, change your pint. Now let your Pikin wake up, come reach in the evening, before you go bath, change pint. Good morning, my personal person. Is it Maria? If your Pikin wake up in the morning, you want they advise another person, Agripa Pikin, when they enter bedroom bath by himself. If this boy they go outside now, he go clean himself, because as it they now, guys now go dey iron. Guys go dey iron. You need to clean himself. Wear this thing. As it is for inside house, it is if you want to go outside like that, now so you go be. He go clean himself. This guy now, for your mind, say, nah, Nigeria person, now they crush on. Not be Nigeria children they cross on. This boy, so now Oyibo, because inside the house when he dey, now Oyibo dey there. Now Oyibo they cross on. Now Oyibo zoom, now he dey. Look at start to the jealousy. Oyibo zoom, now he dey. If you want to crush on girls now, he crush on white people. Not too funny for this Facebook, for this social media. Bet, mama, you today advise you. Advise other presenter children now. And every one of you went to this thing will be better. No, we are not. Is it Jack? No, I come across this video when Edos they talk to this boy. You know, when Edos they talk to this boy. Now I tell her say, The way when he say the boy be like a 70 years old man. Now tell him say, when boys, children, they grow up, or let's say your pikin never reach 13, 15, 16. Now there, now children, organ go dey change for body. Your pikin when you find before, if you yourself come dey look and say, why you ugly like this? You yourself go tell say, come, why you come ugly like this? Where did they lean you? Because it don't dey change. The organ for his body don't dey change. Then why did they body shape this guy? Why they body shape this guy? Yes, why they body shape this guy? You know good? Why body shape this guy? Say you see the way when he take lean, see the way when he do this, see the way when he do that, see the way so people they are when their boys they grow up, their boys he make boo we fine. Nah. Go see them. Once they don't they climb 14, they go up. They go change. Once they go change, you see get where they will see rich, they'll come recover again. Now so when children they grow up, even when we did Nigeria at that time, if you they grow up that time, we go change. Will they change? It they happen to every human being. You can't lean. They'll say now tall you tall, you know. They'll say they tall. You know, say when children want tall that time, they'll call lean. They'll say maybe not they sick, now tall, now they tall. Now not say they die here for Nigeria. They'll say now tall they tall, now make can lean, not they sick. You see, it they happen. Yes. Now so they, I don't get some for inside house. I talk on just now. Me myself go put my son for house arrest. 2 weeks. I tell you, you know they go outside. Your body don't too change. You know see I say your body don't too change. I put him for house arrest 2 weeks. He get 6 weeks for holiday. That 4 weeks, you go use until they play. But that 2 weeks house arrest, I must give them. Tell us, me see they relax. Because some might they change skin, you come black because they go back for inside river. You don't see, that is it. Then you have children inside house, you go take care of children. Me now, I can come out now and advise women that have small children. They go listen to me. They'll say, yes, lovely, you try. We can hear your first daughter. She's still living with you. You think say now all 20-something years old children. Now I see them with their mama for house. Not be see them with their mama for house. Some of the government don't give them house. Some of them they don't get their own house. My first daughter, she's still with me. My second daughter, she's still with me. If they decide today, say, Mommy, we are leaving this house, they want to go carry their own house. They will feel carry. He did the law of this country. Yes, he did the law of this country. My daughter, sometimes he say, people go tell her, say, where you live? He go say, I live with my parents. He'll say, you still live under your parents? He'll say, yes, I still live under my parents. You know, that's it. It's not good. Why you dey talk say the boy, he be like 70 years old man? What of your children? May he carry your children come out? Maybe if I do this video now, if you got to say, lovely, carry your children come out, you will not carry your children come out. I love you carry my children come out. If you want me to carry my children come out, I can only tell my children, say, put left for ground. I'll tell my children, say, please, can you put your leg for ground? Make my people see your leg. Through my Pikin leg self, you go know, say, they be fine person. They be fine children. Too good deep. Okay, you say her advice is not bad. She's too go deep. He bad. Her advice bad. Why her advice not bad? Some people when they can't see who advise this woman, some of themselves, their children in Nigeria, they don't fit carry their children enter abroad. Why they know they get advice rich? Why they not bring their children come abroad? Now another person when bring his children come abroad, now they call they give advice. Person use the brain take carry your pikin come abroad. You went to Europe, your pikin in Nigeria, you don't use your brain take carry your pikin come abroad. Now you call the advice person like they now wish now one come advise this woman. I said they now wish now. You go fit advise this woman. No, you no fit advise woman because the day now we don't dey Europe for so many years. You know fit carry children come. Before children come, they marry, because before Pikin come, they marry, they go. Then which advice? Like this woman, you want advise this woman, my sister, maybe Jack. If person tell you say make you go advise this woman, you go fit advise this woman. You want get your children. You don't go advise your children first. You first go advise your children. Yes. Well, now they do hypocrite. As I did now get Pikin for Nigeria, I don't fit carry my Pikin come Nigeria. This woman won't carry Pikin come. I'll call the advice say, look the way when they do your Pikin. Look the way when they do your Pikin. My own Pikin when they Nigeria, I know whether they sleep house. Now that one you go out first. Well, now a pa at the most talk for a live video. He say Obokpa wa remenge. Now wait it talk for a live video yesterday. Once you not like person, even if that person they do wrong thing, una not go put the matter for ground where still say this matter, see the way when it be, see the way when it be. No, why you Bokpa judge because you not like that person? I make una not get peace. Why advising a mother that bring her own son to Europe? When your own children they are there in Africa, you cannot bring them. A real reasonable mother when be say you know if you carry Pikin conserve, you know if you get idea, he lost the memory, you know if you carry Pikin con this matter, you know the top put. You know the top put. He carry children. Con this woman when she with Monica, they get problem. Monica say you don't even take when you do the video. Self, I bet if now that one verse you don't do. Yes, if you want to do video, not put somebody Pikin. Why they put somebody Pikin? Monica know they carry children come for Facebook. Yeah, Monica don't bring his first daughter, is his second daughter come Facebook. How old that child is? That child is 13 years. I've been the time when they saw to how old the day that time? He reached 13 years. When he thought say Monica people, they know whether they know the common English. You people cannot understand common English. Not be so. Not be Monica Pikin tell na that time. How many of you now use chair sit down? Say Monica, the way when your Pikin they do, I not just like her. Why una not advise Monica? Monica go even talk say una be hypocrite. The time when my Pikin do, una not advise me or make her advise my Pikin. Now they advise this woman when he with a get problem, make he go advise his Pikin. Now when no fit talk to na Pikin, now they talk to person Pikin. I beg you, make una say back for na too dey hypocrite. Like some people say, lovely, let me advise you. What do you want to advise me for? You when enter Europe, you don't spend 6 years, 7 years. Me when don't spend 34 years, getting to 40 years, you want to come advise me. Say, now you get break pass. The break when I take spend 40 years for Europe, you know they work. Now all they work. Hypocrite. How they advise person? You know what to do. If I talk, the word when I will talk, you cannot argue it. You will say yes. Now truth. That is how to do it. If I want to advise person, I can advise person because I have children under me. When they say they will decide, say, Mommy, I want to go and carry my own house. You can go. If my daughter wake up tomorrow now, say, my first daughter wake up tomorrow now, say, Mommy, yeah, I want to go and carry my own house. Yes. I know argue. If I look at the follow and they fight, no, you know they go anywhere, not they go anywhere. You go resort to police. Police will say, yeah, he's a big guy. We can choose anything you want to choose. He's not that age anymore. You don't know? Yes. That is what I am saying. No, it is wrong to start advising someone child, but you all are the same. Yeah. I don't advise anybody child. I don't advise. You don't concern me. That is your child. I know the advice. Yes. When you see somebody carry Pikin on social media, why did they advise this boy Pikin? This man Pikin, woman Pikin. Now today, now the woman, you don't tell me this woman don't carry Pikin on, don't reach 4 years now, be 3 years. Why is it now they can tell say, your Pikin dey social media, your Pikin don't they do this one, your Pikin don't they do that one, your Pikin don't they do this one. Your Pikin call. Your Pikin call. I don't advise I know they advise anybody. Now me want advise you, maybe advise for your children. When you see my children still there with me, now you will say, Mama lovely, how you take cross this Oyibo? Because Oyibo, now people when like this boy now, This boy now is not to 25 years. He's not to 25 years. If this boy they go outside now, this that way he leave, he go pack him, he go see him, he go hang son. Go hang son. Yes, go hang son. Not be a boy like this. I don't think I can advise this woman say, see what he go do with Pikin. No. I don't feel advise this woman. Say, see what he go do this boy. Then why advising the mother? But see when you go carry Pikin come for Nigeria, now you get sense person. Who you carry come abroad? You when they advise person, who you carry come abroad? But see when if you pull somebody come on for Nigeria, carry and come abroad. Now you want come the advice. Like me now, person when you get 5 years, Pikin for inside house, 3 years Pikin for inside house, you want come advise me. When you get 20-something years child for inside house. So people will tell us, say, you be mumu. The woman when they advise, if Pikin be past your own. Instead of you to think how you want to go take care of your children, go and get advice from her. Now you go get her. How you want to advise me? What you want to advise me for? Now you want to advise me of how to get documents. If an amigo even advise you how to get documents, now it make me talk say most of them when you don't una duro one another they say Maduro don't die. Maduro don't die. Wait till kill your Aduro. You get accidents. Moto killer. Abi assassinate your Aduro. When your Aduro they die. Aduro sick when he die. I say Maduro don't die. If you don't reach 4 years, you can go back for your Aduro again. When you say you die, you wake it up again. Now wait till I tell them be down. Go and wake it up. And stop fooling yourself. Say Maduro don't die now. Maduro don't die now. Maduro don't die now. Wait till kill your Aduro. But Baduro no say. He's sick before he die. I been a motor killer. When you Aduro they die. When you are still in Ijuan machine, your name still there woto. Instead of you to go back there and ask your lawyer, say it's long time. When people say you don't seek us out a long time, these people no answer you. It's almost 4 years now. I want to apply again. No, they don't go apply. They carry back from one country to another country. All those people are not supposed to be advised. All those one when they born for you, when government collect their children finish, none are supposed to advise. Not be the one we go carry Pikin come for Nigeria when Pikin get documents. This woman carry Pikin. The day when this boy they enter abroad, the day when they put in to bring this boy come abroad, now that day now the boy get status. Now that day now the boy get status. Now that day the boy get Italian documents. The day they took this boy to Colagamonto office where they do those things. Now that day, now this boy, he did Nigeria. The document already they exist for Italy. Yes. When you put in, you put everything, you fill the form. Then they do the document for abroad. This guy did Nigeria. The document already the computer. When he reach, mama go carry and come. As he enter this country, he get document. This boy get document, I be no get document. If this boy, his mama get this in a passport now, you say na kata sojourno, now this guy go get. Yes. You say na kata sojourno, now this guy go get. His mama no fit get kata sojourno, they go give him 5 years. No, na the same. If your mama get kata sojourno now, na kata sojourno, now this boy go still get. If your mama get passport now, na kata sojourno now you go get before you go put it for passport. Oversabi the worry. How can she advise China that is better than her? They get this me. That is what they do. Even when that woman do this intro, where before this one come. That time nobody come. Oh. Nobody come. Now they tell say now one advice person Pikin. You want to get children for inside, I'm not go advise your children. Yes, go advise your children. Most of them they get 15 years old children for inside house. But tell them if they come back for work, may they go come back for school, may they go work. If you go this supermarket when you not the supermarket when they this country now, you will go now early this morning now. That they open around 10 o'clock. Those children now they will go there now they'll go work 4 hours before they'll come go bath, go stroll with their mates. So the time when some day now they get now money now, and they go take start. if they come on from maybe they start from 10 o'clock now, they work reach like 3 hours or 4 hours, they come out. Another one go still come, those one don't still go play. That one now they'll come. That one still get where they go still work reach. They go come out. Another one when still go play since now, they can't do the evening. Oh, they can't do and finish. Now that one now supposed to put to now children. So that not be say na money now your pikin no get to eat. Government they give your children money to eat. Not be say na hungry now make your children go they work. It can that thing, you are putting working something into your children. How to work hard, how to not be lazy. You are putting it inside your children. Yes, children do all the Oyibo when not they work, not they. Once Oyibo reach 14 years, they don't they work. If I dey city room sometimes, you will see small children that they put this newspaper for this thing they go for bus. You go see them. That they put newspaper. You will see some. Their mama go escort them. Not be their mama, not be get that money. Now the pikin get the money. Mama dey say her say, you not get what you want to do. Pikin will want go share. You go tell pikin say, okay, may he follow you go. He get one some wheelbarrow when some they do one and they drag out, they go. He get some bag when some they put on. He get some bag they go put on for this thing. Some of them, their mama go help them carry the bag. You see, I don't see follow my first daughter do that thing. Yes, I follow my first daughter do one. Just to let her know, say, don't be say time will come reach. Mommy, I'm going out. If you don't give me money, I'm not going anywhere. You must give me money. You must give me money. You must give me money. When my daughter they do that work that time, they see they pay my daughter money. You know money when they pay children for this country every 4 months. You know as your children they grow, each of them, you get one they'll pay this one 450. They'll pay this one 350. Now age by age, now they pay. You get where my daughter reach. My daughter you get where my daughter age reach. The money they high. If you calculate her, now money high pass. Maybe 3 of them now 1,000 euro now. My first daughter for it I go be 450. The rest calculate the 2. As that money big reach, my daughter not they collect her for my hand. I'll tell her say, yeah, you people they don't pay no money. Yeah, make una come be stay waiting. Una want to buy. My daughter will say, no, mommy, keep it, take it, because she was making money for herself. My daughter not call they take that money. You not call they take her lie. My daughter already did 14, 15, 16. You know they take the money. And they pay that money 4 times in a year. You know they take her. You see, huh? You say, mommy, yeah, keep it. Use it to buy something. I have money. Now sit down for you. Let wait till now. Sit down for you. Can they say, lovely, come and show your pikin. Lovely, come and show your pikin. I say, look at these people. But I don't feel they put on our children. I can advise people. If I show something, people go say, mama, I go follow waiting you talk. I cannot advise you say, I go do that one, make you not go do that one. No. You not concern me. I'm a mother. All children are the same. If somebody should breed children for me now, I'm going to treat that child the way I treat my own children. If now sauce I buy for my children, I buy for her. If now pant I buy for my children, I buy for her. I know if you say my pikin dress, then the pikin where they stay with me go come dirty. No. If you carry them go out together, they don't even know who should be my own, who should not be my own inside. We are Europe. Me, I get clean heart. My heart now water. Now so I be. I not be hypocrite. And they tell you, if you don't like me, get out of here. I don't care. That's my life. My life be that. You see something, you see dirty women on social media. They don't feel take care of their children. Because they tell say, lovely, bring your children, come out. Then one when they put powder for a neck, like old dashawo, we can't tie heads. You know they do life again. Don't enter house. Is this a long answer? Woman, you say make I go carry my children. Cannot worry. I will show my first daughter. I will show the room when they sleep. The room when they sleep. You will see bed when my 20-something years old daughter take dey sleep. Facebook people will say, Mama, now your pikin, now he arrange the room by himself. Not my money, not day. If they do something, if they do something, you say, Mommy, you are my backbone. And so they talk. You say, Mommy, you have this upstairs. No, now can they zuzu for Facebook? No worry. The day when I will clean, I will take permission. Because I cannot just go inside room, come the show now, take permission. I say, see, and the beginning one I say, lovely, can't show us your children, can't show us your children. Now they say, now me with you now children when be like village people when they make a bar for inside plastic, can't carry pot or soup, come out, can't they use and take the chop for koni. Now so now they say, me be. When I was growing up, we get to koni. No matter I go be, Mama can never put pot or soup for ground. Tell because they make on the chook and put. Mama we must put on for plates. Mama when they carry or somewhere Mama kuyari like a village. Now the village mentality now sit there on our heads. I was training my way, village mentality. Now sit there on our heads. Nonsense. Mariska, I love you so much because you protect. Expect your children for. Yes, so my love, do your children like that. Don't use your children to follow black people to play. I know what I'm saying. I know what I'm saying. You use your children to follow black people to play. They go see you finish, see your children finish. You don't see what that they do, my love. You don't see a rock. You don't see what that they do. Lovely, can't show your pikin. Lovely, can't show your pikin. Lovely, can't show your pikin. Are you kidding? Rock, if I carry phone now, go my daughter room, you go the wrong part down. Say, hey, hi, lovely. If I open now for you, you the mad, you the zuzu. You can't they say, yeah. My second daughter, when he completes 18 years, now big bed, now they do birthday for her. My old big person, small. Now they do birthday for her. Say sleep comfortable. My children stage by stage. And they use them when they grow stage by stage. And they use, when children they grow, they change their things. Now let these people say their children go grow past things. When their children grow past, they cannot put their children in order. Yes. I will show you one day, my love, you will be there. You go say, Mama, wow. Now black woman Pikin, they live for this place. Mama, I will show you, rock. No worry, I'm going to show you. I know they talk. Say, I want talk. I do things when people go say, yes, she's real. And they do real thing. When person that time, when we come to talk, when person say, hey, lovely, can't show your bed. Can't show us your city room. Can't show us those things. This bed, when I did a sleep, I bought this bed 2014. Now Galaxy. Now they sleep Galaxy. And they they see Galaxy for telephone. Now this bed be. Now say Galaxy. They don't know now. They don't know say that they see Galaxy chair. That they see Galaxy bed. They don't know Mugus. They won't call it. Say lovely. This my bed. I bought this my bed. 750 euro plus 20 euro when they take deliver. How much be that this thing? 770 2014 now buying 2014 now buying. And come they say lovely, can't show your bed. Lovely, see bed when this person buy. Bed when people buy when not reach 300 euro, 500 euro. The one when I buy 2014. Now buy this bed. Consider today the best thing they can't pay na Galaxy. I be the product. No, I don't know anything. Come here, no, can't they shout for yeah. Lovely, can't see my house. Lovely, can't see my house. Lovely, can't see my house. Since when I did this house, now 2 times I don't change chair. Chair when I don't change for this house. Now tear rubber, not be second hand. The last one when I go through with that time, when I say now. When I tell they do live video, now tear rubber. How much I buy that chair? That chair, now 1,400. Now that chair bill. That is 1,400. I go there, I don't see the bed. They put am for sales. Now carry am. 1,400, share into two places. But now 40-something%. Now they every day for sales. Check as that chair, no children now they bounce. That chair, you get this thing. What they call am? They break everything. If you can't sit down for inside, it be like say you they go inside this thing. I change it because they don't let it. When children jump on top of chair, you go break. This pink when days, all of them break. I say no, this chair, if you can't sit down, you're not comfortable again. I change it. I don't manage and they use them. I go change them. I want my children to live good life. I want my children to live luxurious life. So that in future, they go feel they get things. They'll say, yeah, when I was with mommy that time, this is how mommy do. They work hard to get it. Not be talking, they make noise for social media. I'm not a social media noise maker. If I talk, say I do this one, I go bring a come out. And people, when they follow me, they know. That is why they say yes. Even if they say not two, even if they say not three, they know that I split the truth. I know they lie. Wait till I get for like, can't give people body see finish. Cause when you are lying, people go see you finish. If you know they lie, people go to respect you. Well, that one they say lovely. I can't show your pikin. I cannot show my child. One person, if that one don't even know say I get pikin self, say that one novice. A lot of novice later came on this social media. They don't know me. Say there be novice. They don't feel read there. See me say, hey, say as you be, they shame. They shame. People when you take the do compare with me, they will do like this. That one when they say lovely, not the shame. They'll come, they give you a nose like this. I beg you. See, they don't wish. They don't wish one come, they thought that, say children, where they wear abribab jeans for Nigeria. Hey, children, the shoe and children they wear, children they dress. My children they dress past your children. My children they dress past your children. I look and say, I laugh. I do like this. I laugh like this. Your children, they zoos all the time. My children, my grandchildren. The day when I showed my Pikin Balenciaga, I said this Balenciaga is 950 euros. And they don't know which it disappear. Money when they receive now your Pikin put for leg. I say you the zuzu. You don't bath. The first one, he bought it 850 euro, 870 euro. The first Balenciaga, the first one, he bought it 800 and something, and be 700 and something. May I not go lie, I buy that, this, that. Then no, go to enter the website. He did there. Not be small Pikin shoe. You cannot see that shoe for 500 euro. That lie. And from 800 euro go up. You want to call this lovely? I bring my children. Lovely, can't bring my children. Your little children. Now you want to compare my own baby. Are you serious? My daughter, the hair when they do for her, now small, now they cut come on for the weavon. Can't draw. If you see the hair when they my daughter hair, because they like braiding, my second daughter. If they like braid, if you see her when they hair, senior babe, now they see, so you go do your latches off with fishing days. I can't they look at like this, They're too up. My children too. I think all these children when they carry, they can't they follow na they waka. It will be like children when the new carry come for inside village for all those village life. How can you be in Europe? Your children go come. Your children come they look another children they go. I never. When you pass my children, you must look my children. Not my children will come they look you. Now they be the way when their children, you can never see their children smile. The money when they give your children, you not take care of your children. Take it and take care of your children. Don't do competition with it. Take care of your kids. And start doing competition with irrelevant competition when not complete. One and they do from Facebook. You want to come now, come they zuzu with me with irrelevant complete competition. It's not gonna work now. Use am take care of your children. See the people when dey my area that time. If they pass me, I say, good morning, good, make you look good. You go say, wow, they'll say, your children is so moin. That's what they thought. They'll say, my children, they are very beautiful. I clean them to my satisfaction. I use the zuzu. They say, I'm Pikin when you carry the go. He head, you go come do Bob Marley. Bob Marley, when mother go do, you won't be mother. You don't they plait your Pikin head for over 5 years. You see they plait one plaiting. You know they change. Carry your Pikin put for ground. Valor and hey when you want to do 3, you use and take do. Hey when you want to do 4, you use and take do 3. Cause no patient. Carry your Pikin for line by line. From here, cut am like this, plait am line by line. Who I said line by line. And if they plait the hair, let your hand they loose. Let your hand they loose. Not let your hand tight. Plait Pikin hair like village children. Some women when you get guest children, do your Pikin hair well. Learn. Most mothers they don't know how to do children hair, do hair before. Now their children hand, now they for learn their children hair. They use their children hair. They learn how to they do hair. We still day. We get today na Sunday. We get where we they go. We still dey the rest. If they see say I dey line, you know still dey here. But the rest people, those people they spend 2 hours. So go see live video now. Most live video now that they spend 2 hours, 3 hours. Now, no, if lovely day here, they'll say now still dey here. Love, we still dey. No. You see most women, they will say they don't know how to plait hair before. When they born daughter, now they don't know how to plait hair. And they go they do hair for people through their own children. Hair. You are welcome, love. They'll say through their own children, some mothers, because they carry their eye down. Look her. If you want to do Bob Marley for your children, not they do it like this. Not they do it like this. Just do one. You go, you know they tight your hand, they lose your hand. You will see the way you go take fine. Now so, my Pikin, they sit down do. I can take 1 day to do her for my Pikin. I know they do ha. Now I don't see only food they low. And they use if people they look, they say, Mama, you see they use a day till they do something. That is how it's supposed to be. You must have a day to do something. There is some of them for inside house. They know they go anywhere. They cannot do something smooth, excellent, and perfect. No. I know they advise you now. But I wait till they see. Now they talk. Hey, when they'll just cut the hair like this, cut them like this, they'll just use them. It's too big, sister. This one when you cut so, this one when they carry so, you go reach to take plait for hair. See, you go share them like this. See, you go share them like this. You see, when you don't share them like this now, it will come small for you. See, you use cream, take one like this. Then you use attachment, see, and you share them like this. Use attachment, take one. Then the one way dead back, you do one. Do this one, do one. See the way we go fine. No, they go just calon one. See, here now, you see this place now. If you want plait hair now, you're free from here, do one. You don't get one like that. From here, you don't get 3 line like that. Now the way when your Pikin take get hair, now so you go take share hair, follow your Pikin. Not be say you see here now one attachment, now go stay for here. This place now one attachment, now go stay for this place. This place now one attachment, now go stay for here. You see, and when you come brush and go inside, you go come fine. Not be say you just from here cut hair, cut her like this. You want use and take plait hair for Pikin. Good morning, how you dey? You can't use and take plait hair here now. Some people just from here cut hair for Pikin. Just from here cut and use and take plait one hair. I wear the Pikin. They say, Mommy is spending me too big. Share and see 1, 2. You see 3. You see when you plait and feel you can't brush and you see the way when you go take fine. No. Our me no gata. Now no get peace. Now no be patient human being. Patient, no, I don't feel patient. If I want to do my daughter hair, I hours. I go dead there. That's what they do. I know say when he come out, when people see, I don't know say yes. Now person now he come out. Go fine. You see the center part. The center part go straight. Go fine where there. The year you can get the way when it take J year. If you want pack and sometimes you go pack, and if you want leave and go leave her. With your latches. If you see her. The way when my first daughter, my second daughter, the way when they do it, latches, do it nails, do everything. If he dress come out, if you see her, you don't know whether my lovely children. Because una dey train na children for inside house nyama. Now they say, lovely, bring your children. Lovely, bring your children. Seriously? If my first daughter sit down with me, you dey ask, say, Mama, who be this girl? You don't gonna know whether na Nigerian Pikin. You dey ask, say, who be this girl when he sit down with you? Are you serious? You think say my first daughter na nyama wig na they put for head? My first daughter, I want to put nyama wig for head. I don't understand. You know they put nyama wig for head. If you want style hair, you go do this the way you get. The eyebrow way you get. You know they do lead. My first daughter, I want to do lead. You go do that eyebrow when they do 400 euro. You go do one. No, so anytime when you go to the do one, and now tattoo, I don't forget what that they call her. I think now 400 euro, now you go to do one. You know they do lead. If you see her, you think say na lead. You think say he make it do one. You know they do lead. They get the way where they take the do one. People know. I don't forget the name of that with this thing. You know, that is it. You people should stop. Call the Pikin one and no see. Una not already they talk say na so the Pikin be, na so the Pikin be, na so the Pikin be. Then what? If they gonna say na so the Pikin be, you can't run carry the children come out. Who get children know how children be? What is the deal? They gonna tell you, go say, na so. Ooh, oh sorry. So the children when they say, lovely, carry your children come, lovely, carry your children come. My first daughter, by he don't date 13 years, he don't already they carry human hair. He don't already they carry human hair. 13 years, 14 years, don't already they carry human hair. Yes. If they work, he go buy am. Sometimes he go say, okay, don't worry, I will add money journal. That time they work small. Not be now when it start to they wear human hair for yesterday. Now come they zuzu. Lovely, can your children come back? Lovely, you not get human hair. I am make get human hair. Lovely, now see where I pack my human hair put for there. If I show now say you love the mama now, so you take the do I see where I pack and put for there. I pack and put for top of this thing there. People get things, they know they talk. Shut up, you no get. Because if you get, you go shut up. When they say my children, I can't they show you. 14 years. 14. My children is 20. My daughter now is 22 years. Calculate when she did 14 years. See, I'm 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. How many years be that one so? 8 years. Now that time you take it abroad. Now you won't come they advise me. Even my own daughter. You cannot advise my own daughter. My daughter, he brain a spark. Anything when they do, I'm going to look and say, no, me born this Pikin. 8 years. 8 years. You want to come Europe. You start to the bump and down. Now they say, lovely, if I see you, I gonna stab you. Lovely, I gonna stab you. Lovely, I gonna stab you. You were all Pikin. You won't come stab me when no old children. When children know they go out. You don't say your Pikin, I have you be. You don't know me. When you use your Pikin, they play. Police go come. Police go say, man, this fight is wrong. I am on where I home. If you be that woman there. You see me faster than you carry your Pikin. You want to do nyanga with me, man. My heart, you cannot hear any Johnny Bizu betai. Or where a heart no way lovely cure ya. Or we you cannot hear. He just know me finish. he see me. There's some people when they see you for far away, they know what you can do. Me and if I they go after that na handbag now they carry. If I don't want to carry handbag, I don't carry my purse. I don't they go fear. My children don't follow me. They know they cry. Follow me. I know they pack my children again. Lie. Yeah, that they wear wig, yeah. No. All those one when they day Facebook, that day there they food themselves. That day there they food themselves. Yeah, children for Europe that they wear wig. Yeah, that they wear wig. Yeah. Now so, they lovely. If I see you, I go stab you. I say, you know, all I say, Orege one. You go stab lovely. Me when no have no children. You when old children, you get to say because you Pikin, I go pity for you. I don't get pity, so I be dangerous human being. Bad sense now be. Yeah, I can't you don't see river. If river want carry you where you stand put, another person go there. Now there you go carry you. The person no go know say he don't carry you. Or to you they say, yeah. You just say, now maybe this person there. No. I tell you center of river. You don't go no. I'm making learning for you don't want no. And the lovely, if I see you, your carello, lovely go push and pull for 3 track. I know they lie. Go ask my friends. My mind now back in day. If you want to prove arrogant to me, I will tell you that I have it in my system. I keep it. I they use them. I they fear fight too. And how when you take home, and they fight some. Now so, you don't see at that time, my love. You don't see at that time. Then I call the trust. Say, lovely, carry your Pikin, come out. Lovely, still travel with your children. Lovely, show us your children. I just want to show my children so that they'll come they put them for this thing. If you even see I will say, you go let me do now. Oh, my people, I will carry my Pikin, come out. You go say, Mama, lovely. Now your daughter be this. You not go believe. I just want to just take cover his face. I just carry and come out, but I don't want to bring my children out. Then when my daughter complete 18 years birthday, when my friend come tell me say, he say, Titi go don't big now. I say yes. He say, make I send the picture come for a very long time. She don't see my daughter. I can't send 2 pictures, go give her. Do you know what my friend said? This my friend is my close friend. We have been friends for so many years. She tell me say no. She not tell me say make I bring Modem picture come for her. She say make I bring Karin picture come for her. I tell her say na Karin picture dey with you so. Say Karin. And I say which eye you take dey look at when small. He say Karin. I say na Titi picture dey with you so. He say wow. He say see the way we be like, but he not believe oh. She can go ask Titi godmother. That's my girlfriend when marry Oyibo. She can't go ask that one. She say, He says, see the picture when I bring her for her. I say, nah, Titi. Now, Titi godmother come say, yes, nah, Titi. He say, He said, I don't be like Mode. He said, yes, say, if you see Titi for road, you no go know. He said, my girlfriend, my Bini girlfriend, my Bini girlfriend, when una dey call, lovely, you know they share house, lovely house. I get Bini girlfriend, my daughter picture dey with her. Me na bad person as una be. If I bring my daughter picture come, when I send her old junior sister, you get the time all of us dey together. When I send Titi picture, because that one, he loved Titi so much, because only Titi I get that time, when her junior sister, when we did together. Then I can't send my picture, go give my girlfriend, now Bini, that my sister, that my Bini sister. I send my daughter picture, I go send her, go give her. Then she go send her, go give her sister, say, see Pikin when they play that time. He say, who be this? He say, na Karin. He say, Karin? He say, Karina, I be rich like that. Can I change like this? Become a big girl? He said, yes. He said, when I bring the picture conference, he say, my girlfriend, my Benin girlfriend, if they talk, he will say, how my children, I'll say that even he say, another person help me bath my children. Say my Benin girlfriend no day. If he still come, he go use a fig no still take bath them. Say even he say na 3 months, now he take come before I born. Even he say na 6 months, now he take come before I born. Come greet me. He must use a fig bone with black soap take bath my children. Because my first daughter now she bath her. Then when I born my second daughter, she not there around. Did you know that she still come still bath her? You don't wallow to. If they open the air one by one, I say, bath this Pikin, make no enter body. You say, no go enter body. When I the zuzu for face. If I look at that sometimes, I'll say, why have you done my men? The real of you don't know they behave like this. The real Benin people not behave like this. I go with some. I grow with some. I grow with Benin people. But now all is so it's too strange. The day when we they talk, I think when we talk last, when my son they go out, I come to say, see, your boy don't they go out too. Now he come look, he say, hey, now my boy grow like this. Now my boy grow like this. Say, if they see them, you know what I say because I show out to them, you go short time. If no another person here, if I don't get my children picture for Facebook, we go short them. You know short them. And they show confidence. I know who my friend is. Now Bini, over here don't know. Not be partly Shan, partly Bini. Now full Bini. If I mention Papa, no, una go know. Because Papa get money that time before Papa late. Now Bini be. You see this pussycat? Iona don't come out now, they cry. You see, and before you know, now you go come here. You can't they cry, say Iona don't come out. No, sir. The day with the see so because my girlfriend day here. I say my girlfriend, my daughter girlfriend day here. Then they day together with her see so as those one come out now, I be like say they want go buy this thing, no say children now. Now 10 o'clock, now this shop they open. They want go buy breakfast. Now so they go buy breakfast. As they come out now you don't begin to decry. Because nobody did there now. I will say now they carry out. You know, if you go out, if they follow you, they go out to. You get where you go work carriage, you go come back house. Because we open window for them. Make they go outside, they come inside. If you go out, the day when they go out, you follow me, they go. Let us say, this pussy don't get say so. As you get where you work carriage, you can't go back. I can't they look am. You can't go back. You enter house, you come out. I trace and follow on. He can't come. He enter inside house, he can't jump from window, he can't enter inside. Then as he say he enter inside, I can say, hey, you see, common domestic animal self, they get brain, they have love. Domestic animal have love. The owner they come out just now, they cry. Una wey be human being, una no love una self. Una no love una self. Every morning when it dey 7 o'clock, as una see this domestic animal so, if it dey 7 o'clock, now they wake me. Now I tell my daughter, say, see, your pussycat, you go leave your room, because if they sleep on top of my daughter bed, though, now there they sleep. You go leave your room in the morning, you go come meet me. Now me they give her food. We know who they give her food. Once it don't read that 7, I go here, getting, because the chain when the bed where they neck, I say this pussycat don't see come with me. You go come or you go climb bed. You will come they do this thing, they do me like this. You come they smell me like this. I'll come use hand take tap here, say you don't wake up. Then I'll come follow and place small. So yeah, let's go down. If I just say let's go down, you don't run come down for bed. You don't run past step case. Now food you want is so. Once he eat that food finish, bye to me. You know they come meet me. Now me they give him food in the morning. You see love. You people should be trying to be giving yourself love. You not too they beat hard. But I not count me John now. Oh. Even yesterday, if I use a part the ball do live video finish, I go see him for dream. I don't see about the for dream now 3 times. I think I did tell now. If I use not do live video finish, I'll do one for see and for dream. For dream is very calm. I don't know, maybe that calm when they calm. If be say maybe if you see they think and now say why they follow me do saga, I don't know, you know. Some people they can be calm in dream. In reality, they can be very dangerous. I don't know. As I did dream, motor come pass me. That place when I did for dream, it can't be like say that they new do the road. You know, it can't be like say that they new do the road. It can't be like poto. A part the ball come pass me. I can't say he passed me. Now my area here. As he waka, he can't stop. As he can't stop, because they use back, they come. I mean now, I can't let say, who be this one? Why you stop for me? Now I mean, that's why I say, why you stop for me? Now he can't come, he can't bring the hair come on. He say, where you they go? May I carry you go? Now tell us, say, see where they see my house for here. No carry me. I just drink see him this night. I say, no carry. Anytime when I take do saga with her, I dey drink see him. And for that dream, is very calm. You know, they fight me, and they always they calm down. You know, I say one day I say, I don't follow this man, do saga again. But if he put picture for war, he go put my old journal. I bet how they follow and do saga. I can say that is a lovely a part does the saga you go. I can see go top put for Frank Victor this thing. Another one. I just don't like her. I just don't like her at all. You know, like her, I don't like her. But that one, no. Oh, wait, any are calling ye a platform with Victor. Let me they talk, you know. Then he got to say, make I come, make he lift me. Now, I say, no, see my house, I don't already go there. He said, come, may I lift you. I said, they go, don't carry me. He can't stand though before he can't move. As he still they go now, he can't they give me light for back. Can't they do me like this? If he be say they quarrel with me or not reach in mind though, you know say that they did not wish. Now he carry on put for my saga. If he be say you can still be follow me the quarrel, maybe not reach in mind. Yeah, people like that day. Or maybe if they find maybe he want harm me, can be two options. Maybe they fight me, he not reach in mind. It can be, or maybe he want harm me. Now they see him. But the 3 times when I don't see him for dream, he's a harmless. You know, the first time when I first see him for dream, I dream see him say he wear white. As he wear white, he not talk. Now Johnny Bizu Baker say, who see you now? He say you keep quiet. He say you normal. Now what if I Bizu Baker say as I the boy just camp, so just leave him. Just leave him for there. Because say not go even talk to himself. You know, now 3 times now don't dress here. If you not like make you not fight. If you not like make you not fight. It not concern me. Only the problem when it dey, these people don't know me. I will say these people know me. The real believe people when they know me, they don't just want to talk at all. Even if they can't talk, they know say una not go believe. I don't understand. If they lie for my head, though, una not go believe. If they talk the truth, though, una not go believe. They'll just say, may they just live lovely, leave these people. Therefore, can't tell una say, una see Obiesan. Obiesan no get the one way dey inside, though, as Frank Victor. Frank Victor say, Rakian be lovely. The lovely, I mean, Rakian be lovely because the lovely self is not where. That is it. If you carry my mind, put for your, you carry my word, put for your mind. You're on your own. Me, you not concern me. I would day yourself. I get chicken for you. If I dey follow that they talk, self, I beg make I take my chicken and not fish out. You see, if I eat the chicken finish now, I'm not going to I want to. Only cloth when I wash, I will go liner like that. Today na Sunday. I got chicken. I eat yesterday. Yeah. I eat rice yesterday. I belly full. I don't fit chop the chicken. I keep on. You see, that's why I be lovely child. If you say na lovely, now you want go buy put by dear, Just cool. No fight. No, do not fight, please. Take a chill. Not take a chill. No, see, I get everything for you. Why I don't work bad. Make sure now where they put my things. Everything, no more, don't worry. See my Coke and my this thing. I carried 6 Coke on here yesterday. 3 Fanta, 3 Coke, water. I don't drink almost 2. Remain 4 with water. You see, I don't take the one a day. Oh, Mary won't even yaba. Me, if you are a bearing, that time, if they say, who beat you? You go say, now lovely, if I read there, I'll say, yeah, I beat you. I don't remember again. They'll say, I bet me come out, they go house. See me alone. The matter don't already settle. I ain't balloon manager. If you carry me, go the doctor say, the doctor say, oh, now this one you carry, can't give me. This one, I don't know. This one not get the one way inside. You know that they see somebody where be say, I jolly. You know, let you chop. And I'll let you throw away your keeper for your this thing. Now, so I be. If you talk say, lovely, message to you. For where? You know, they enter my body, woto. But if I say, this one, message to you, you go enter your body, woto. Some people say, I get bad math. You enter your body, woto. You don't see, me, I can't even do me do. I don't feel shout. Now, so I be, Now, the best, this is where my Benin girlfriend, they like, now be this one. Now, this one, we on the 5 for this one. With Ihion Koko. That one, we take the waka. You see, Not gonna say, lovely, come here, I advise you. Nothing now, day here this morning now. If I get almost 3 hands for year. If I eat and finish now, I will drink water, I will sleep. I think tell myself, if my second daughter come back now, I tell her, say, me, let me go sew that clothes. You know, see, with that all, now, so I be. If you talk, say, na mamata, now you want to do the top, bro, you dey waste time. You know, see, now, I'm doing what I know how to do. It don't make die. That's why I say grow up. I know they suffer. Who suffer help? That's why I tell you, see, if I devil. Maybe it can be doing something to harm me, or it can be doing something, I don't know. It can be 2 ways, because if I see him for the dream, he's harmless. For real, I don't know. And 3 times I don't do him. I do him for dream. You know they do like person when you go feel harm me. Maybe if you see the pain for mine now, say why they short love me.